Can I get a Hoya? Yes, you can get a Hoya plant, and they are popular houseplants known for their waxy leaves and fragrant star-shaped flowers. Here's a guide to help you find and care for a Hoya plant. What is a Hoya plant? Hoya plants, also known as wax plants, are tropical vines or shrubs. They are cherished for their unique appearance, low maintenance, and long-lasting flowers, making them ideal for indoor plant enthusiasts. Where to buy a Hoya plant? You can buy Hoya plants at local plant nurseries, garden centers, and big box stores with gardening sections. Online plant retailers and marketplaces also offer a variety of Hoya species. Popular Hoya varieties. There are numerous Hoya species available, including Hoya carnosa, Hoya kerry, heart-shaped leaves, and Hoya pubicalis. Each variety offers different leaf shapes, colors, and flower types. Cost of a Hoya plant. The price of a Hoya plant varies depending on the species, size, and source. Common varieties are more affordable, while rare types can be more expensive, especially from specialty sellers. Check plant health before buying. When purchasing a Hoya, check for healthy leaves, no signs of pests like mealybugs, and well-maintained roots. Avoid plants with yellowing leaves, moldy soil, or visible damage. Care requirements for Hoya plants. Hoyas thrive in bright indirect light, well-draining soil, and moderate humidity. They require infrequent watering, making them perfect for busy plant owners or beginners. Propagation options. If you don't want to buy a full plant, consider getting a cutting from a friend, plant swap, or online seller. Hoyas propagate easily from stem cuttings in water or soil. Seasonal availability. Hoyas are generally available year-round, but you may find a wider variety during the spring and summer when plant sales are more common. Consider online plant communities. Join plant enthusiast groups, forums, or social media communities where Hoyas are frequently sold, traded, or gifted. This is a great way to find rare species and connect with other plant lovers. Getting a Hoya plant is easy and rewarding due to its beauty and low maintenance. Whether you choose to buy from a local store, online retailer, or through plant swaps, Hoyas make a great addition to any indoor plant collection.